So I've got the Enduro Engineering skid plate here, ordered it, and from Rocky Mountain, took 2 days to get here, pretty quick. And now I'm gonna install it on my YZ 450F for a race that I have tomorrow. I'm gonna get everything set up, and we're gonna videotape the install. I don't have a tripod yet. I really should get a tripod. Alright, the instructions. And the first thing it tells us to do is to take off the plastic guard. So I'll do that. And then it tells us to run this bracket just above where the hole for the plastic was at. And I'm going to assume those wires shouldn't be being pinched. I don't want anything to get caught, and I think there will be enough space there that it won't. But you can see how there's little notches there on the bar line up with the frame. Figure 3. Position the hook-shaped rear clamp as shown. Note, this clamp must be centered between the frame rails for ideal fitment. I kind of thought that was a bad instruction. It doesn't look like the greatest picture, but you know what? If you get under the bike, it's super easy. It's right there. What you do is you take this clamp that they have, slide it all the way in right there, and they said make sure that it's centered properly. So we'll look to see if it's centered. I should probably measure that, right? But that's where it goes. Nice and easy. Figure 4. Situate skid plate against the bottom of the frame as shown. All right, and from here, we're just going to lift the skid plate up. Right into there. I'm going to do it like those old car shows on like Speed Network or TNT back in the day, and on Sunday mornings where you only see them put in a couple bolts and you're like, man, that whole Flowmaster exhaust took like 3 minutes to install. I'm gonna buy one, it's easy. So I got the first bolt started. If you stick your tongue out, it actually helps you focus. Now those two are in. This is gonna be the hardest part of this whole install. It seems pretty easy except for that. Oh, I caught it, how about that? Alright, so we got one bolt in. Alright, bolts are in. Now, I quit using the instructions, who cares? The only problem I see with this is gonna be, I'm gonna have to take the skid plate off every time I change the oil. They get some adhesive tape. I'm not sure what that's for. I also didn't read the instructions. The first step is to put the adhesive on.